Morning everybody, welcome to a new video. So where are we today? Well, we're going over the Tamar Bridge. That's right, we're leaving Devon and we're heading into Cornwall. A familiar route for many people, I should imagine, on holiday, heading down to the sunny beaches of Cornwall. Well, this time we're heading over the Tamar Bridge and we're heading to St Mellion, which has got a very nice golf course there. I'm sure many of you will have heard of it. It's about a 12 to 14 minute drive, so do stick with us to the end. Again, the bridge here, sorry, just go around the roundabout here. The bridge has got various lanes open, so do bear in mind when you come over, these might not be the lanes open when you come over. They do chop and change them. And that's not at all off-putting there. Crossing over the River Tamar. And heading into Cornwall. Loads of speed cameras around, so do stick to the speed limit. As always, I do try and advise. So before we've gone to China Fleet and we've gone left up there. We're obviously not going to do that, so we're going to carry on down through the tunnel. And out the other side. And there we go, out to the dual carriageway now, so we can speed up a little bit. This is a good opportunity to ask, if you haven't already, if you can subscribe to the channel. I know lots of you watch the videos and don't subscribe. It costs you nothing but helps me enormously. And maybe you've done this journey in the summer when traffic is definitely a lot busier. But give this video a like if you enjoy it, or even drop a comment. Tell me what the traffic's like in the summer. Come to the Carkill roundabout and we're going right here for St Mellion. It's middle of February here in Devon, February the 11th, and it's not raining. Can you believe it? We seem to have had rain every single day. So it's quite good to have a day when, do you know what, we don't have rain, or at least a morning. about 9 o'clock in the morning, hence why it's busy with work traffic, but in summer this would be an awful lot busier. We begin to get into some of these nice little Cornish villages now. Cars turning there. Right. I hope it's coming out in the video, the nice Cornish countryside views. And maybe that's a good time to ask, how do you eat your cream tea? Are you clotted cream on the bottom? Or are you clotted cream on the top? Jam on the bottom or jam on the top? There's a Devon way and there's a Cornish way. What's your favourite? That seems to be the age-old debate between Cornwall and Devon. A nice view over there, over onto the moors. It looks like. There we go, 3 miles from St Mellion, so we're nearly there. Straight across at this roundabout. At the time of this video going out, we're so near to 2,000 subscribers. So if I can ask again, if you can subscribe, that would be most appreciated. I never for once when I started this out thought I'd get 100 people subscribed, but again, nearly 2,000 is amazing. Thank you so much. If you saw that old-fashioned signpost on the left there, great to see them still around, the old iron posts. St Mellion, of course, it's a famous golf course. I think my father has played here many years ago. My dad. So I wonder if you've played here. If so, let me know what you think of the golf course. another speed camera. So here we are in the village of St Mellion, but not yet at St Mellion Estate, which is where we're heading. Straight on for St Mellion, you can see the brown signs there. You can cut through the countryside, but we'll take you the brown signs way. Spring signs by the side of the road, the heather's beginning to blossom. And now we go left at this roundabout, so it's quite easy to find from the Tamar Bridge. Follow the brown sign, and here you go, we're on the St Mellion Estate. Gosh, the sun's trying to break through there. That's because we're in Cornwall. The tournament golf course there. We're going to hopefully drive up right to the entrance of St Mellion so you can see what it's like. Here we go, St Mellion. Well, listen, I'm going to have to park in the car park. Thank you for watching. Much appreciated, as I say, haven't already. If you can drop me a subscribe, that would be much appreciated. And until the next one, thank you very much. Bye bye.